In this video, I will create metal materials. They are frequently used in modeling audio equipment. First, set the lights and camera so that you can see the reflections well. Duplicate the cube object. Switch to the shading window. Add texture coordinates, mappings, noise textures and bump nodes. Please remember this very convenient set. Change the mapping scale and add metallic reflections. And you get brushed metal material. Copy the material to make the next material. Reset the scale of the mapping. Set the scale of noise and bump strength. Change the color to paint color. The last is radial brushed metal. Delete the previous node set. You need to change the rendering engine from Eevee to Cycles. Change to render preview mode. Maximize the anisotropic parameter. Add a tangent node and set the pattern center direction to the y-axis. Adjust the angle, roughness, and color. Let's rendering.